Yo, what the fuck is good, niggas? It's your boy, this man. I don't know why that looks so small. Like, look at it. Why does it look so small? Anyways, fuck the bullshit. You fucking see it, man. You fucking see it. The booting fucking arrived, man. It has fucking arrived. Now it's time to unbox this bitch and also put it in the new case and stuff. So anyways, fuck the bullshit. Hashtag ad, you know what I'm saying? Use code DIS. Everything fucking Epic Games, you know what I'm saying? Use code DIS, don't forget. But anyways, about to open this bitch up, bro. It has a little tab at the bottom. There it is, right there. Why would they do that to me? I don't fucking know. I just smacked the shit out of my mic arm with it. But anyways, opening the fucking box. It comes with this nice looking sticker. It looks pretty awesome. You can see it has the little band thing. I'm not gonna be fucking using that. It also has the cable and stuff in here. It says lift here. Oh, okay. Well, yeah, so here's the cable, and here's the little thingy. But none of that really matters too much. I'm here for the keyboard. They even have a little heart, dude. Look, it's so awesome. Wait. You see it? You see the heart? That shit is so awesome. What is that? What is that? That's just part of the desk. What was that other thing? But anyways, man, there it is. I'm just gonna close this fucking box up real quick. I definitely don't want to like lube these, but it might have to come down to that. On the back, it says fucking, "We made the WOOTING 60HE for you. Please take good care of her." That shit is so awesome, dude. That shit is so fucking awesome. It actually doesn't sound that bad, like out the box type shit. The only problem is these stabilizers. But that's okay. That's everything's fine. Everything's good. I'm gonna go ahead and take this apart and put it in the new case and stuff. And I shall return when I'm like doing that and stuff. So basically I'm just gonna start taking off these fucking keycaps like one by one individually. And just like that, the fucking keycaps are off. Now I had to pick up my fucking screwdriver because I dropped it. I'm gonna have to unscrew these hoes. Okay, so now it's fucking out, man. Now it's fucking out. I'm gonna put painter's tape on the back of this. And I'm also gonna see about those fucking stabilizers. At least just the space bar. Maybe just the space bar. Okay, for the case that I'm using, it's gonna be a fucking tofu. Here it is, in all its glory. The tofu. So first, I'm gonna put these fucking feet on the thing. Feet. There's one. There's two. There's fucking three. Boom. Okay, now I'm gonna put this down into here, and hopefully everything is as it should be as far as the O-rings and stuff. And finally, for the fucking keycaps, we have a little artisan escape is in there, but we also have some GMK Katakana. Okay. This is the set. This is the set I was fucking talking about. A lot of the extras is fucking fell, bro. That shit is so lame. Luckily, they're just fucking extras. Okay, so we're gonna put that escape key last. Ooh. Oh my god. That shit went fucking flying, bro. What the fuck? I had to reach down and grab that bitch. It is all finished. Unlubed. That's it. The build is fucking done. The review coming whenever, I get to use it and stuff.